one would want to ask is how comes that it's only in Kenya where sugarcane growing has become a loss-making venture year in, year out. We know of countries, including our neighbors here, like Sudan, even Uganda, where sugarcane farming has remained as lucrative as you may want to take it. Now, Speaker, so this is a good move. It's a good move, even though there are some gray areas that need to be ironed out. One of them is the matter of Mumias Sugar Factory. And my colleagues here agree with me. Fully, my colleagues from Western Kenya agree with me that unless and until you address the matter of Mumias Sugar Factory, which previously was accounting for about 60% of sugar production in the country, you will not have done justice to our farmers in Western Kenya. My own farmers from Ugunja sell their cane to Mumias factory. And that's why I'm speaking from a position of authority. Mr. Speaker, we need to be told why Mumias is excluded from this program. Why? Is it because it's a private company? Even if it were, the public still has substantial shares in that factory. So I would suggest that even as we adopt this report, we go back and relook into the matter of Mumias Sugar Factory. Secondly, I want to endorse what was said by Honorable Karoli Omondi. For the first time, I want to agree with him. We differ substantially, on other issues out there. But on this one, I agree with him. You cannot gloss over the matter of Miwani Sugar Factory land, over 10,000 acres, that has been grabbed by well-known persons as you talk about writing off debts. What are you talking about? How do you rescue Miwani without taking back the land that has been grabbed by well-known persons? We want to see heads rolling, Mr. Speaker. They were told that people must withdraw court cases to allow the sector to move. Mambo masiyu mangapi? I don't know. What I know is that the same force that was used to force those litigants to withdraw their cases should have been used to force these masqueraders in Miwani to withdraw those cases so that the land can revert back to the public. Yes. Yes, what is good for the goose, Mr. Speaker, I heard you say is good for the gander. Yes. What is good for Mumias is good for Miwani, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker. Finally, as we go out looking for these strategic investors, let us ensure that we apply transparency. Transparency and accountability. We don't want this program to be a conduit for bringing in people who are already been identified, even as we debate here. I'm aware that there are people already angling around the country. Some are in the airport, some are all over here, waiting for this motion to go through so that they can lay claim on Mumias, Miwani, Muhoroni, Soni. Mr. Speaker, we shall be very vigilant. And if you dare step on our factories with a view to grabbing them, we shall deal with you. Thank you. I support. Yeah.
Maklap.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I like the fashion of the people of the sugar growing area. Mr. Speaker, I am a pastoralist and I witnessed presentations from Kenyans who are growing sugar. Mr. Speaker, it is so disparate that I believed that there was now what has been going on in the sugar industry, Mr. Speaker, has been actually banditry of the sugar industry. It is true that the objective of the National Treasury and this government, Mr. Speaker, is to